dear students, welcome back to the second PUC online classes. In this class, I am going to discuss the important concept of your syllabus, that is electric fields. Here, at a point on the axial line of a electric dipole. Electric field at a point on the axial line of a electric dipole. Axial line means a line passes through the electric dipole. A line passes through the axis of the electric dipole is called axial line. Axis of the dipole means a line joining between the two charges from negative to positive charge. A line joining between the negative charge to the positive charge, that is called axis of the dipole. Axial line means a line passes through the axis of the dipole is called axial line. A line passes through the axis of the electric dipole is called axial line. Now I am going to find the electric field at any point on the axis of the electric dipole. Electric field at any point on the axis of the electric dipole. Electric dipole means pair of equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. Here, now I consider 2-point charges. Here, consider 2-point charges and a line joining between the negative charge to the positive charge. A line joining between the negative charge to the positive charge, this is called axis of the dipole. A line joining between the negative charge to the positive charge, this is called axis of the dipole, right? Or the distance between the 2-point charges or 2-point charges separated by a small distance is called electric dipole. Then a line passes through the axis of this electric dipole. Now I draw a small line here. A line passes through the axis of the dipole. A line passes through the axis of the dipole. This is called axial line. A line passes through the axis of the electric dipole is called axial line. Right? Here, P is the point at which electric field is to be calculated due to this electric dipole. Dipole strength means the electric field is produced due to the electric dipole. The electric field is produced due to the electric dipole is called dipole field. Here, due to this positive charge, the electric field is produced. Due to this negative charge, the electric field is produced. But here, P is the point at which electric field is to be calculated due to this positive charge and due to this negative charge. Due to the positive charge and due to the negative charge. And O is the midpoint of the electric dipole. O is the midpoint of the electric dipole. The distance between negative charge to the positive charge is, that is dipole length. The distance between negative charge to the positive charge. Dipole length ಅಂತ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? It is the small distance between 2-point charges in an electric dipole is called dipole length. The dipole length, it is mathematically denoted by the symbol. The dipole length is, that is 2a. Dipole length is 2a. P is the point at which electric field E is to be calculated. P is the point at which electric field is to be calculated at a distance r from the center of the electric dipole. P is the point at which electric field is to be calculated at a distance r from this electric dipole. Correct agi dipole na ನೀವು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. This is called electric dipole. Electric dipole means a pair of equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. Axial line means a line passes through the axis of the electric dipole is called axial line. Or a line joining between the two charges and it is extended to the either side of this charge. Now I am going to find the electric field at a point P from this positive charge along the positive x direction and from this negative charge along the negative x direction. E is the resultant electric field. P is the point at which electric field is to be calculated at a distance or from this center O. From this center O. And here R is the distance between midpoint of the electric dipole to the point at which the electric field is to be calculated. Here, this is the 2A is the total dipole length. O is the midpoint of the electric dipole. Now I consider this is the point A and this is the point B. The point A and point B. Now, O to A distance, the total dipole length is 2A. It is divided by two parts. O to A distance. Now this distance becomes A and O to B distance. This is also A. O to B distance is also A. P is the point at which electric field is to be calculated due to the positive charge, and B is the point at which electric field is to be calculated due to the negative charge. Here, due to this positive charge, the electric field, that is E due to the positive charge, E plus Q. Electric field due to the positive charge along the positive x direction, and electric field at a point P due to this negative charge, that is the electric field due to the negative charge along the negative x direction. Along the negative x direction. Remember this concept. Yeah, this is very important concept. P is the point at which electric field is to be calculated due to the positive charge. That is electric field due to the positive charge along the positive x direction. And P is the point at which electric field is to be calculated due to this negative charge. Due to this negative charge, the electric field at a point P. Now, what is the distance between P to this A? P is the A ವರೆಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ distance ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. O ಇಂದ P ವರೆಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ distance R ಆಯ್ತು. Then P ಇಂದ A ವರೆಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ distance ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? That is R plus A ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. That is R plus A. ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು. Negative charge ಮತ್ತು positive charge, it is called axis of the dipole. A line joining between the two charges from negative to positive, that is called axis of the dipole. Electric dipole means a pair of equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance is called electric dipole. Axis of the dipole or axial line of the dipole means a line passes through the axis of the dipole is called axial line. Electric field at a point on the axis of the electric dipole. P is the point at which electric field is to be calculated on the axis of this electric dipole. Here, A and B are the two reference points and O is the midpoint of the electric dipole. There you are going to find the electric field. E point ಅಲ್ಲಿ electric field ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ electric field ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ midpoint of the electric dipole distance ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? R. But the total electric dipole distance ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? 2A. ಅಂದ್ರೆ P ದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವರೆಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? That is R plus A. That is R plus A. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವುದು? Resultant electric field E. Resultant electric field E. Electric field at a point P due to the positive charge. Electric field at a point P due to the negative charge. ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How to calculate the electric field? You know the simple formula. Electric field due to the single charge or electric field due to the point charge. E is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R. Already in the previous class we discussed what is electric field and expression for electric field due to the point charge. Due to the point charge. ಒಂದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. E is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square. E equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square. From using that formula, the electric field due to this positive charge. Here, electric field at a point P. Electric field at a point P due to positive charge. Electric field at a point P due to the positive charge. Electric field at a point P due to the positive charge. That is E plus Q. Electric field at a point P due to this positive charge. That You know the formula. Electric field due to the point charge 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square anta ide. Q divided by R square, that is 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square. Due to this positive charge R, it is the distance from the midpoint of the electric dipole to the, at what point you are going to calculate the resultant electric field. This distance R ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ, O ಇಂದ P ವರೆಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, that is O to P whole square. O to P whole square equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by O ದಿಂದ P ವರೆಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು R ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ. O ದಿಂದ P ವರೆಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು R. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗ? ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ at a point P due to this positive charge ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. Due to this positive charge ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್? B to P. ಯಾವ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು? B to P. Now I will write this formula. O to P ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು? B to P whole square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. B ದಿಂದ P ವರೆಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. How to find the B to D distance? The total distance is R and this distance is A. R minus A ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. R minus A. 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R minus A whole square. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1 along the positive x axis. Along the positive x axis or along the B to P. Along positive x axis or along B to P. Now, electric field at a point P due to this negative charge. Electric field at a point P due to the negative charge. You know the formula. Electric field due to the point charge. Point charge in the electric field is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ R ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು? ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐತಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? that is distance R. If the distance is increases, the electric field is decreases. Electric field is inversely proportional to its distance. Therefore, you can write this equation. ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದರೆ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ R ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ R minus A into whole square. This is along the positive x direction. Now, ಈ P ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೈತಿ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್, P ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊತೀನಿ? ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ electric field due to the negative charge is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ P ದಿಂದ A ವರೆಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ Q divided by A to P whole square. AP whole square equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by A ದಿಂದ P ವರೆಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? A ದಿಂದ P ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, that is R plus A. A ದಿಂದ P ವರೆಗೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ? that is R plus A ಇದೆ. A ದಿಂದ P ವರೆಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ R plus A. Now to get the equation R plus A whole square. This is equation number 2 and this is along the negative x axis. Along the negative x axis or P to A. Along the negative x axis or P to A and this is B to P. Electric field at a point P on the axis of the electric dipole. On the axis of the electric dipole. This is electric field due to the positive charge and this is electric field due to the negative charge. Electric field due to the positive charge, electric field due to the negative charge. ಇವು ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು? The resultant electric field or the net electric field. The resultant electric field does not zero, but the net electric field due to the electric charge due to the electric field here A charge point ಮತ್ತು B point ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ additivity of charge. The net electric charge due to an electric dipole is zero, but the net electric field due to an electric dipole is does not zero. Now you get the resultant electric field here. If E1 is greater than E2. If E1 is greater than E2. Here, for our convenience, we take E1 is greater than E2. Therefore, the resultant electric field E is equal to E1 minus E2. This is equation number 3. The resultant electric field E1 is greater than E2. The resultant electric field at a point P E is equal to, or E net anta use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, E resultant anta use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, E equal to E1 minus E2. Now substitute these two values in this equation. Substitute these two values in this equation. We get E is equal to 1 divided by 4 5 epsilon naught Q divided by R minus A whole square. R minus A whole square, that is E1 value. R minus A whole square, that is E1 value, minus 1 divided by 4 5 epsilon naught Q divided by R plus A whole square. Q divided by R plus A whole square. Here E1 minus E2 means electric field due to the positive charge minus electric field due to the negative charge. Here electric field due to the positive charge is greater than electric field due to the negative charge. Electric field due to the positive charge is greater than electric field due to the negative charge. You get this equation E plus Q minus E minus Q. Electric field due to the positive charge minus electric field due to the negative charge. Electric field at a point P due to the positive charge, that is Q divided by R minus A whole square. Electric field due to the negative charge is, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R plus A whole square. Q divided by R plus A whole square. So the simple mathematical equations. Next step now ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Take the common values outside. Take the common values outside. That is E is equal to Q divided by 4 5 epsilon naught. E is equal to Q divided by 4 5 epsilon naught. ಉಳಿತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 divided by R minus A whole square minus 1 divided by R plus A whole square. Q divided by 4 5 epsilon naught into 1 divided by R minus A whole square minus 1 divided by R plus A whole square. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗಳನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ E is equal to Q divided by 4 5 epsilon naught. E is equal to Q divided by 4 5 epsilon naught. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ R plus A whole square, R plus A whole square into R minus A whole square divided by R minus A whole square, minus R minus A whole square into R plus A whole square. Cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ R plus A whole square minus R minus A whole square divided by R minus A whole square into R plus A whole square. It is in the form of A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square divided by R minus A whole square, R plus A whole square ಇದೆ. That is, it is in the form of A square minus B square whole square. A square minus B square into whole square formula ಇದೆ. A square minus B square into whole square is equal to A minus B whole square, A plus B whole square. This is A minus B whole square, A plus B whole square formula ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು R plus A whole square minus R minus A whole square ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇದೆ. Remember this point. Due to this, here E is equal to Q divided by 4 5 epsilon naught. R plus A whole square ಇದೆ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ equation ಇದು? R square plus A square plus 2RA. R square plus A square plus 2RA. R square plus A square plus 2RA minus R square plus A square minus 2RA. A square plus B square minus 2AB formula ಇದೆ. 2RA. Therefore, divided by R minus A whole square, R plus A whole square ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು? R minus whole ಹೌದಾ? R square minus A square whole square. A square minus B square whole square formula ಬರೀಬಹುದು. A square minus B square whole square is equal to A minus B whole square, A plus B whole square. ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರೈಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು R square minus A square whole square. Now you get this equation. But here R square plus A square and R square plus A square when you multiply it becomes negative. ಹೌದಾ? These two values are cancelled each other. you get the equation. E is equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. E equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. 2RA into 2RA ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 4RA divided by R square minus A square into 4 square. 4RA divided by R square minus A square into 4 square. E is equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught 4RA divided by Q square minus A square into 4 square. Or you can write this equation E equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q value ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು Q. But you know the formula. The dipole moment. Dipole moment means it is the product of strength of the either charge and dipole length. The product of strength of the either charge and dipole length, that is P is equal to Q into 2A. Correct ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು. Dipole moment, it is defined as it is the product of strength of the either charge and dipole length. The product of the strength of the either charge and dipole length is called dipole moment. ಇದನ್ನು ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Q ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹೌದಾ 4RA ಇದೆ 4RA ಇದನ್ನ Q into 4RA ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ Q into 4RA divided by R square minus A square whole square ಇದೆ divided by R square minus 0. Q ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ 1 by 4 by epsilon ಆಯಿತು Q into 4 into RA divided by R square minus A square whole square. ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು Q into 2A ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ Q into 2A ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ E is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೋಡಿ QA ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ಬರೆಯುತ್ತೇನೆ 2R into Q2A ಬರೆಯಬಹುದಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2R 2 into 2 4 4QA ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಗತ್ತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೋಡಿ 2R 2 into 2 4 ಉಳಿದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ QRA as it is ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ 2R into Q into 2A ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು Q4A ಇದೆ ರೈಟ್ ಇದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2R into Q2A 2R into Q into 2A 2R into Q into 2A 2 into 2 4 4R QA again you get the same equation divided by R square minus A square into whole square. Q into 2A ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು that is dipole moment. Dipole moment means it is the product of strength of the either charge and dipole length is called dipole moment. Therefore the resultant electric field at a point P or the net electric field at a point P on the axis of the electric dipole is that is E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught ನೋಡಿ 2R into Q2A P ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 2R into P divided by R square minus A square into 4 square. E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2R into P divided by R square minus A square into whole square which is the expression for electric field at a point on the axis of the axial line or at a point on the axial line due to an electric dipole that is E net is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2R. ಇಲ್ಲಿ as it is the P ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು that is electric dipole moment or dipole moment. It is the product of strength of the either charge and dipole length 2 into RP divided by R square minus A square into 4 square which is the expression for electric field at a point on the axial line of an electric dipole, and this is very important derivation for your examination. Or suppose if you write this equation in vector form, you get the electric field, it is a vector quantity E is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught 2R into P divided by R square minus A square into 4 square into unit vector field. When you are multiplying by unit vector, again this equation is becomes vector form of the electric field, which is the expression for electric field at a point on the axis of the axial line due to electric dipole. Simple concept ಇದೆ. ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾನು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ. Two charges separated by a small distance is called electric dipole. Due to the electric dipole, the electric field is produced. ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? ಆನ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್, axial line. Axial line means a line passes through the axis of the electric dipole is called axial line. P is the point at which electric field is to be calculated. Due to the positive charge and due to the negative charge, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಅದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್? ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಟ್. ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, q ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ r ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. r ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Now you get the resultant electric field at a point P. E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 2 into Rp divided by r square minus a square into 4 square, and this is a very important derivation for your examination. Okay, thank you. And in the next class I will discuss the concept of the electric field at a point on the equatorial line of electric dipole.